Good morning, students. Today we will discuss exercise 2.5. Question number 1 is saying we have to compare which one is greater. Okay, 0.5 or 0.05. Okay, see here, this 0.5 can be written as 0.5 by after decimal. See here, after decimal there is one digit. Okay, so when we remove this decimal, we put uh, at one we put 10. Okay, similarly this 0.05 we write is 0.05 by, when we remove this decimal, okay, we put two zeros on one. Okay, so it is 5 by 10 and this is 5 by 100. Okay, now if I say which one is greater, 5 by 10 or 5 by 100. Suppose there are 5 apples. Okay, this 5 apple is being distributed among 10 persons and this 5 apple is being distributed among 100 persons. So obviously the persons who are sharing this apple, okay, in this fraction, they will get more fraction of apples and they will get less fraction of apples in this type of share. Okay, so obviously 5 by 10 is greater than 5 by 100. Okay, stop.
Start.
Now coming to second part, we have to compare 0.7 and 0.5, which one is greater. Okay, again we will convert this decimal into fraction part. Okay, so 0.7 by, here we observe that after decimal there is one digit. Okay, so we will put 10 after 1 and we remove this decimal, so its value is 7 by 10. Okay, similarly 0.5, here too after decimal there is one digit, so we will put 10 after 1 and we remove this decimal, so 0.5, that means 5 by 10. Now we can compare that 7 by 10 is greater or 5 by 10. Similarly, 7 rupees is being distributed among 10 persons and 5 rupees is being distributed among 10 persons. So obviously, this fraction, okay, the persons who are sharing this type of fraction, they will get more rupees, more paise, they will get less. So this is greater. Okay, this is greater means 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Now coming to 1.37 and 1.49. Okay, this 1.37, we will convert this decimal into fraction. So after here after decimal there are two digits, 1 and 2. So after 1 we will put two zeros. Okay, remember one thing, if after decimal there are four digits, then we will put after 1 four zeros. If after decimal there are three digits, then we will put one after three zeros. Okay, now see here, this decimal is removed, so it is left 137 by 100. Now we will convert this 1.49. Again after decimal there are two digits, so remove this decimal and put two zeros. Okay, so its value is 149 by 100. Now see which one is greater, 137 or 149. Obviously 149 is value of this 1.49, so this is greater than 1.37. Now coming to this part. Okay, here to 2.03, after decimal there are two digits, so remove this decimal and put two zeros. Here to 2.30. Okay, after decimal there are two digits, so put two zeros after one and remove this, so its value is 203 by 100 and its value is 230 by 100. Now we can compare that 203 is less than 230, so 2.30 is greater than 2.03.
Start.
Okay, now coming to question number 2. Question number 2 is saying we have to express the given values in rupees. Okay, we have to convert this 7 paise into rupees. We know that 1 paise is equal to 1 by 100 rupees. So 7 paise is equal to 1 by 100 into 7, that is equal to 7 by 100. Okay, now see here, we have to convert this fraction. In the question number 1 we were learning how to convert the fraction into decimal, but here we convert this decimal into sorry, this fraction into decimal. Okay, so see here, 7 by 100, when the denominators are like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, then it is easy for us to convert into decimal. There will be two methods. Okay, either you divide this 7 by 100 or directly we can do, see here, we observe that after decimal there are two digits. Okay, So first write this number. The numerator is 7. Okay. In the denominator there are two digits. Sorry, there are two zeros. Okay. So after two digits we will put 0, 1, and then 0, and then decimal. Okay. So its value is 0.07 rupees. Similarly, we have to convert this 77 rupees 77 paise into rupees. See here, this quantity is already in rupees. 77 rupees is already in rupees. Okay. And this is in paise. So convert this paise into rupees. Again follow the same method. 1 paise is equal to 1 by 100 rupees. So 77 paise is equal to 1 by 100 into 77. That is equal to 77 by 100. Now again the denominator is 100. So first write this number 77. After 1, here we observe that there are two zeros. Okay. So in the answer, okay, we will put the decimal after two digits from right. 1, 2 and decimal here. So its value is 0.77 paise. Now it has come into rupees. This 77 paise has been converted into 0.77 rupees. And here 77 rupees, and this when converted into rupees 77 paise, we get 0.77 rupees. Okay. Now both are rupees and you can add. So after adding we get 77.77 rupees. Okay. Let me explain here. This 77. Okay. This can be written as 77.00. Okay. Again the value will be like we will read it like 77 rupees 0 paise, and this 0 rupees 77 paise. So in the rupees columns 0 rupees and 77 paise. Now add 7 plus 0 7, 7 plus 0 7 point 7 plus 0 7 and this 7. Okay. So 77.77. Either you say 77 rupees and 77 paise or 77.77 rupees. Stop. Now coming to question number 3rd, we have to express 5 centimeter into meter and kilometer. First we will convert this 5 centimeter into meter. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 5 centimeter is equal to 5 into 1 by 100 meter. That is equal to 5 by 100 meter, and this is in fraction. So in the denominator there are two zeros. First write this value. Okay. 5. Okay. After here there are in denominator there are two zeros. So after two digits we put decimals. Here is one digit. So write 0 here and then put decimal. So 0 and 0.05. 0.05 meter. So 5 centimeter is equivalent to 0.05 meter. Now we will convert this 5 centimeter into kilometer. Okay. So we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 and then two zeros. Stop. Now we will convert this 5 centimeter into kilometer. Okay. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter, and we can convert this meter into kilometer. So 1 by 100 meter. Okay. This is 1. And when this meter is converted into kilometer, we multiply 1 by 1000. That is equal to, so 1 by 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. Okay. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 1 lakh kilometer, and we have 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter is equal to 5 into 1 by 1 lakh kilometer. Okay. That is equal to 5 by 1 lakh kilometer. Okay. Now see here. In the denominator we observe that there are 5 zeros. Okay. First write is numerator value, that is 5. Okay. There are 5 zeros. So we will put the decimal after 5 digits. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So put after 5 digits. So 0.00005 kilometers. So this 5 centimeter is equivalent to this kilometer. Now coming to question number 4. Question number 4 is saying we have to express this 200 gram into kilogram. We know that 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram, and we have 200 gram. Okay, so 200 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 into 200 gram. Okay, that is equal to, so 200 by 1000 kilogram. Okay, now we will convert this here. After 1 there are 3 zeros, so first write a numerator value, that is equal to 200. Now there are 3 zeros here, so put the decimal after three digits, 1 2 3, so put the decimal, so 0.0200 kilogram. Okay, now coming to third, we have to convert this into kilogram. See here, this 4 kilogram is already in kilogram. Okay, so we don't need to change this in kilogram because this is already in kilogram. We will convert this 8 gram into kilogram. Again we follow the same procedure. 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. Okay, so 8 gram is equal to 8 into 1 by 1000 kilogram, that is equal to 8 by 1000 kilogram. Now after 1 there are 3 zeros here, so first write in numerator value, that is 8, and after 3 digits we will put zeros because there are 3 zeros here, so 1 2 3. Okay, so the value is 0.008 kilogram. So now this is all in kilogram, and this part is also in kilogram. And now add both 4 kg plus 0.008, so its answer is 4.008 kilogram. Okay, now see how we add this 4 kilogram, means 4 kilogram 000 gram. Okay, this 0.008 kilogram is 0 kilogram and 0008 gram. Okay, so 0 kilogram and 008 gram. Okay, now add 8 plus 0 8, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, this is gram, and this kg, and 4 plus 0 4. Okay, or we can write this 4 kilogram like 4.000. After this one we can put any zeros because all the values are same, they are equivalent decimals. Okay, so 4.008 and its value is 0.008. Okay, now we can add 8, 0 plus 0 0, and 4. Okay, so by any method you can get the same result. Stop. Now coming to question number 5, we have to represent this given decimals in expanded form. Okay, expanded form means, suppose if I say represent this 115 into expanded form, so this is 100, this is at tens place, means 10 plus unit place. Okay, so 100 plus 10 plus 5, so this is the expanded form of 115. Similarly we will represent this in expanded form. This whole part is already in expanded form, like 20 plus. Okay, after decimal the first place, okay, that is at 10th place, means 1 by 10. Okay, but here the number is 0, so we write 0 by 10 plus the second digit is at 100 place. Okay, like suppose if I say 1.15115, after decimal this number, this one is at 10th place. 10th, I am saying 10th. Okay, not this second digit, this is also this is at 100 place and this is at 1000 place. Okay, so see this 3 by 10, so 3 by 100, this 3 is at 100th place. Okay, so 20 plus 0 by 10 plus 3 by 100, or you can write 20 plus this 0 by 0 by 10 becomes 0 plus 3 by 100. Okay, when this is represented in decimal form we write it 0.03. Okay, I hope you got it. Now coming to fourth, this part, okay, before decimal to the left of decimal, this is already in expanded form. Okay, 2 plus, okay, after decimal the first digit is at 10th place, so I write 0 by 10. Second digit, that is 3 is at 100th place, so 3 by 100, and this 4 is at 1000 place. So 4 by 1000. Now see here, 2 plus 0 by 10 becomes 0, plus when we convert this 3 by 100 into decimal, we get 0.03, plus when we convert this 4 by 1000, we get 0.004. So this is the expanded form of 2.034. Both are expanded form. This is also in expanded form and this is also in expanded form. Stop. Now coming to question number 6. In question number 6, we have to tell the place value of 2. The place value means where is 2, at which place the 2 is sitting. Okay. In this number 2.56, before this decimal, 2 is at unit place. So we write 2 is at unit place. Coming to this part, 21. Here 2 is at, see, unit place, 10th place. So this 2 is at 10th place. Okay. Now coming to this part, 9.42. See here, this we have to tell the position of this 2. See here, I have already told that after decimal, this first digit is at 1/10th place. Second is at 2/10th place. So its position is at 1/10th place, 100th place, then 1000th place, 100th place. Okay. This 2 is at 100th place, means or you write 2 100th place. Okay. Now coming to this question. See here, we have to tell the position of this 2. Okay. First, after decimal, the first digit is at 10th place, then 100th place, then 1000th place. So this 2 is at 1000th place. So 2000th place. Okay. Now coming to question number 7. Question number 7 is saying Dinesh went from point A. Okay. Dinesh went from point A to B and he traveled 7.5 kilometer. Okay. And then from point B he traveled to point C and he traveled 12.7 kilometer. Okay. And then Ayub, he traveled from point A to point D. Point A to point D, and from D he went to C. So point A to D, the distance he covered is 9.3 kilometer, and from D to C he covered 11.8 kilometer. Now the question is asking who traveled more and by how much. Okay. So first we will find it distance traveled by Dinesh. Okay. Distance traveled by, I am talking about total distance. Okay. So from point A to B, that is 7.5 kilometer, and from point B to C, that is plus 12.7 kilometer. Okay. So 7.5 and 12.7. Now add 7 plus 5, 12. Carry 1, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. This is the distance covered by Dinesh. Okay. Now we will find the distance covered by Ayub. Okay, from A to D, that is A to D, 9.3 kilometer, plus D to C, 11.8 kilometer. Now add 9.3, 11.8. Okay. 8 plus 3, 1. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. Now here we see that this 20.2 kilometer is less than 21.1 kilometer. Okay. So in answer you will write Ayub traveled more distance than Dinesh. And by how much? So subtract 21.1 minus 20.2. Okay. 11 after subtracting this value, that is the distance covered by Ayub more than Dinesh. Stop.